Drones have changed the front lines in the Russia-Ukraine war. Enemies are situated several kilometers away from each other who were once just a gunshot apart in the conflict zone. Potential targets are located now several kilometers deep within the enemy territory, courtesy drones which are now revolutionizing the warfare. Achieving a historic feat, Ukrainian first-person view drones took out 3 Russian air defense systems on January 7. The operation was carried out using a naval drone as a springboard. The downed aircraft included 2 Russian anti-missile Pantsir S-1 systems, which one OSA anti-aircraft suffered damage. This comes after Ukrainian drones downed 2 Russian Mi-8 choppers just last week. Even that operation was carried out using a Magra V-5 naval drone near Tarkankut on the Black Sea. This is the area where Russian helicopters were on patrol. This marked the first time that air targets were destroyed by a drone designed for the sea. Ukrainian naval drones are changing the tide of war, especially in the Black Sea, where they are disrupting Russian maritime operations. These unmanned vessels have proven highly effective, forcing Russia's Black Sea fleet to retreat behind protective barriers. This shows that drones are reshaping the region's power dynamics. One standard example is the Magra V-5, a multi-purpose unmanned surface vehicle developed by Ukraine. These drones have breached Russian defenses, executing reconnaissance and strike missions deep into enemy territory. Their success has not only boosted Ukraine's offensive potential, but also challenged Russia's perceived invulnerability. They have targeted key Russian air defense systems, paving the way for aerial assaults on critical infrastructure. Oil refineries and military installations have been hit, highlighting how drones work hand in hand with Ukraine's broader military framework. The use of naval drones has also been cost-effective for Ukraine. Compared to traditional military assets, they are inexpensive to produce and operate. This allows Ukraine to level the playing field against Russia's costly equipment. In addition, the smaller drones are harder to detect and intercept, and their agility enhances strike precision. This makes them an efficient tool in asymmetric warfare, which is why it is not just Ukraine which is resorting to drones in this conflict. Moscow has now introduced its all-new advanced Kub-10E long-range precision strike kamikaze drone. This drone is specifically designed to engage targets at much longer ranges and to strike deeper behind enemy lines. The Kub-10E features a pusher propeller design mounted atop the fuselage with a twin-torp arrangement. This feature aids in stability and control. When one talks about other features, the drone can operate in altitudes ranging from 100 to 2,500 meters and has a cruising speed of up to 100 km per hour. This allows it to engage targets while maintaining a low profile. In addition, the Kub-10E is designed to operate in temperatures between -30 degrees Celsius and +40 degrees Celsius. It can also withstand wind gusts of up to 15 meters per second. Further, what makes it a valuable asset is that it can engage a wide array of targets. This includes unarmored and lightly armored military equipment, command posts, air defense systems, and ammunition depots, among others. All these features justify its code name, Nasty. Now, introduction of drones highlights a broader trend in modern warfare, where innovation and technology like these drones can transform the battlefield. The impact of this technology will be closely watched as it continues to evolve and reshape military tactics in the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war.